Lisa here for the JayLi Life, and welcome to my channel. So on this video we're going to be doing something a little bit different than usual. So a couple weeks ago, a company called SIMPOT reached out to me and asked if I would do a product review for them on their SIMPOT, which would be compared to an Instant Pot. Here it is. This is it. It's a 6-quart. It comes in two sizes, a 6 and an 8. So let's go ahead and check it out. That way I can tell you a little bit more detail on what it is. It is a 10-in-1 multi-cooker. It is a pressure cooker, a slow cooker, sautés, it steams, it makes cakes, and it pasteurizes, it makes yogurt, a rice cooker, egg cooker. First of all, two things right off the bat that I liked about it is that it is a slow cooker and a rice cooker. Right off of that, I can get rid of my 6-quart slow cooker and my 6-quart rice cooker because I already have them into this. So that eliminates two contraptions that I have in my kitchen. It's really nice and pretty. Black is my favorite color. So it only comes in black. So it has this really pretty black, like chrome look to it. The one thing I like about it as well, which is a good pro to this, is that it doesn't have all the little buttons on here like the other ones do. This is actually a 4.5-inch LCD screen. So it has this little turn knob on here. So everything lights up here to look really nice and like techie looking. So let's go ahead and check it out. I already had opened it. So first thing is it comes with some recipes, which is really interesting. Like you can make burgers. That got me there. I'm like, what? You can make hamburgers. You can make cake. I'm going to have to definitely make a cake in here. Of course, your instruction manual. It has a 1-year warranty. It does come with 2 cooking mitts. They're silicone. It does come with 1 ladle. And it comes with a rice paddle. It comes with a measuring cup for rice. It does come with a spare gasket. It does come with 1 steam basket. And then, of course, your pot. So this is what we're going to be making today. It is cilantro lime chicken burrito bowl. And now we're going to turn it on. Ooh. Okay, so you're just going to turn it. And we're looking for a saute mode, which is right there. Okay, then we're going to click the temperature. The highest mode is 365. Click it. And now it's preheating. So while it's preheating, let's go ahead and get our ingredients together. So here I have 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts that I've already diced up. And then in here I have all my seasonings. And now we're gonna go ahead and add the seasonings to the chicken. And let's go ahead and give that a good mix. 3 minutes to preheat. So now it tells you that it's hot. So now we're gonna add a tablespoon of vegetable oil. Now you're gonna add your chicken. So I have my little silicone holder on. Now after 3 minutes, we're going to go ahead and add a cup of white rice and 1 minced garlic clove. Go ahead and give that a stir for about 30 seconds. Now after you've done that, now you're going to add your broth, 2.5 cups of chicken broth. I have 1 ounce of diced green bell pepper, a 1/3 cup of cilantro, and now this is the zest of 1 lime and the juice of 1 lime. Go ahead and stir that. And now you're going to add a can of pinto beans. I'm using Bush's Best. Make sure it's strained. Then you want to go ahead and give it a stir just to mix everything in there together. Now once you've done this, let's go ahead and put the lid on it. Turn it to lock.
There it is.
Okay, so we're going to set it to pressure cook. Go ahead and select. According to this recipe, it should take 7 minutes. And now we're going to click it. And there it goes. So my 7 minutes are up. According to the recipe, it says allow a natural release of 2 minutes. But with the SIMPOT, we're just going to let it sit for 2 minutes. So the cool feature on this is that it actually has a little timer on it. So now we are going to give it a quick release. So we're going to turn it. Oh, and it gives it a little noise. How cute. And now for the final touch, we're going to add 1 cup of Kobe Jack cheese. And then according to the recipe, you want to add the lid back on, but you're not going to close it. You're not going to seal it. So now we're going to grab our bowl. Let's go ahead and put some in here. Let's go ahead and mix it. I went ahead and topped it with some tomatoes and avocado and some sour cream. It looks really, really good. So if you guys are interested, I will put the link down below. It is free shipping. It is the 6-quart. And you also get a 10% off coupon. So apply it to your checkout. And thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoy and give it a try.